Assalamualaikum. Welcome back on Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel. This is the second mock paper for recruitment test for junior science teacher BPS-14. In the first mock paper, the questions, the paper pattern for IBA screening test matriculation category was shared. So this paper will provide you an opportunity to analyze your preparation accordingly. So in this mock paper, there will be 20 questions based on English. In English, there will be a reading passage, 10 questions, prepositions, 5 questions, and 5 questions on error detection and sentence structure. Part 2, subject knowledge, there will be 17 questions on physics, 17 questions on chemistry, 17 questions on biology, and 17 questions on mathematics, and remaining 12 questions on computer. So this is the unofficial test syllabus, so you should prepare accordingly. I'm going to share all the questions with answers, so this will be a long video, and also I'm going to share explanation of each questions. So I would recommend you to note down all the things that I'm going to share with you. So pause the video and read this reading passage. I'm going to share just questions and answers. So here we go. Question number 1. The author's primary argument is that digital connectivity has A. become irrelevant to modern society, B. created contradictory social outcomes, C. solved the problems of loneliness, D. unambiguously improved human relationship. And the correct answer is B. created contradictory social outcomes. This question asks the main idea, identifying the central theme or argument presented by the author. Question number 2. Based on the passage, algorithmic engagement is problematic because it A. reduces internet speeds, B. prioritizes profit over developmental needs, C. improves educational outcomes, D. encourages face-to-face interaction. And the correct answer is B. prioritizes profit over developmental needs. The question is based on inferences, drawing conclusion based on implied information in the context. Question number 3. The paradox in the title refers to A. technology being both expensive and profitable, B. increased connectivity coinciding with social fragmentation, C. adolescents disliking technology despite using it, D. digital platforms being difficult to operate. And the correct answer is B. increased connectivity coinciding with social fragmentation. The paradox is explicitly described as digital technologies bringing humanity closer. Ubiquity of social media platforms facilitates instantaneous global communication while simultaneously causing unprecedented social fragmentation and correlative decline in meaningful interpersonal relationship. So this question is based on vocabulary in the context, identifying main idea, understanding the meaning. Question number 4. Neuropsychological research suggests excessive screen time harms A. physical strength, B. emotional intelligence development, C. mathematical abilities, D. genetic makeup. And the correct answer is B. emotional intelligence development. Neuropsychological research indicates that excessive digital consumption may impede emotional intelligence development, particularly in interpreting nonverbal cues. So this question is based on locating specific information stated in the passage. Now comes question number 5. The author would most likely support A. banning all social media, B. balanced technology policies, C. eliminating digital education tools, D. mandating 10-hour daily screen time. And the correct answer is B. balanced technology policies. The author states that societies now face the dual challenge of mitigating digital addictions while preserving technological genuine benefits to education. आखिर क्या हुआ? Nah. So the correct answer for question number 5 is B, balanced technology policies. The author states that societies now face the dual challenge of mitigating digital addictions while preserving technology's genuine benefits to education and civic engagement. This suggests a balanced approach. This question is based on recommendations inferring the author's likely viewpoint or suggested course of action. Now comes question number 6. The word ubiquity, line 2, most nearly means A. Obsolescence, B. Omnipresence, C. Complexity, D. Expense. And the correct answer is B. Omnipresence. Ubiquity in the context, the ubiquity of social media platforms means they are everywhere or very common, which is synonymous with omnipresence. This question is based on vocabulary in context, determining the meaning of a word based on how it is used in the sentence. Question number 7. Perverse incentives. Line 7 refers to A. Rewards for good behavior, B. Unintentionally harmful motivations, C. Financial compensation, D. Educational scholarships. And the correct answer is B. Unintentionally harmful motivations. Perverse incentives for authenticity implies that the like-driven validation systems creates motivations that, despite their apparent purpose, lead to negative or unintended consequences regarding authenticity. This question is based on a vocabulary phrase meaning in context, understanding the connotative and denotative meaning of a phrase with the provided text. Question number 8. Identify the correct verb form. Research dash the excessive consumption may impede development. A. Suggest, B. Suggests, C. Suggesting, D. Have suggested. And the correct answer is B. Suggests. Research is a singular noun, so it requires a singular verb form. Suggests is the correct singular present tense form. This question is based on grammar, a subject-verb agreement. Question number 9. Choose the proper preposition. Reliance dash social interaction competes dash algorithmic engagement. And the correct options are A. On and with, B. At for, C. In to, D. By at. And the correct answer is the correct preposition is option A. The correct prepositional phrase are reliance on social interaction and competes with algorithmic engagement. So this question is based on prepositions, using correct prepositions to show relationship between words. Now comes question number 10. Select the grammatically coherent sentence. A. The platforms facilitate communication global. B. Platforms facilitate global communication. C. Facilitating communication globally, a platform. D. Communication globally by platform facilitates. And the correct answer is B. Platforms facilitate global communication. The sentence has the correct subject, verb, object order and proper adjective placement. Option A, C and D have awkward or incorrect word order. So sentence structure is important to get good marks in this situation. Now comes 5 questions based on prepositions. So these questions are developed to focused more on prepositions. These are 5 questions, but with 10 to 15 prepositions. In these 5 questions, you will learn about more than 15 prepositions usages. So stay connected and please provide your valuable feedback in the comment section as well. So here we go. Question number 11. She has a remarkable aptitude, dash scientific research, but struggles theoretical concepts. And the options are A. Far with, B. In at, C. To about, D. On far. And the correct option is A. Far with. Aptitude for scientific research and struggles with theoretical concepts are the correct prepositional phrases. So, prepositions, these 5 questions are based on prepositions, usage of prepositions. Question number 12. The conference will delve dash the implications dash artificial intelligence dash education. A. Into, of, for. B. With, about, it. C. At, on, to. D. By, from, with. And the correct answer is A. The conference will delve into the implications of artificial intelligence for education. Delve into implications. Implication of what? Artificial intelligence. So, question number 13 now. His insistence dash perfections often borders dash obsessions, leaving little room dash error. A. At, over, to. B. Far, on, far. C. In, with, by. D. To, about, at. And the correct answer is B. Far, on, far. His instance for perfection often borders on obsessions, leaving little room for error. Now comes question number 14. The professor's lecture dash quantum mechanism was so abstract that many students were left dash confusion. A. About, in. B. On, with. C. Far, by. D. At, under. And the correct answer is A. About, in. The professor's lecture about quantum mechanism was so abstract that many students were left in confusion. Now comes question number 15. They collaborated dash the project dash mutual respect despite the differences dash methodology. And the correct answer options are in, with, about. B. On, with, over. C. At, by, far. D. To, in, on. And the correct answer is B. They collaborated on the project with mutual respect despite their differences over methodology. Subscribe Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel and also follow us on Facebook, TikTok and WhatsApp. Thank you. Now 5 questions based on error detection and sentence structure. Question number 16. Spot the error. One of the students in our class has submitted their project late. And the correct error in this sentence is C. Have submitted. The error is in have submitted. The subject is one of the student, which is singular. So the verb should be has submitted. Question number 17. Choose the grammatically correct sentence. So this is the sentence you should have. You have to choose the grammatically correct sentence. Read the questions. Pause the video. Now the correct answer is C. She speaks not only French but also German. The correlative conjunction not only but also should be placed immediately before the elements that connect. In this case, they connect the direct object French and German. So this question is based on parallelism correlative conjunctions. Question number 18. Now comes question number 18. Spot the error. The committee is divided in their opinions about the new policy. So in this questions, the error is based on B. The committee is divided. The phrase divided in their opinions is incorrect. It should be divided on. So C option is correct. Incorrect. On their opinions. So this question is based on prepositional usage. Now comes question 19. Select the properly structured sentence. So pause the video and read the questions. The correct answer in this question is B. Hardly had I reached the station when the train left. When hardly introduces a sentence, it should be followed by an inversion, auxiliary verb plus a subject, and linked to the subsequent clause by when. So this question is based on correlative conjunction. Question number 20. Spot the error. Neither the manager nor his assistants was able to solve the problem. The option is a C. The error is in C, was able to solve when neither nor connects two singular subjects. The verb agrees with the subject closer to it. Assistants is plural, so the verb should be plural. Were able to solve. That's great. This question is also based on subject verb agreement with neither nor. Today I will upload some subject verb agreement rules with a lecture on Blackboard, so stay connected. Now comes physics MCQs. These MCQs are not only beneficial for JST science preparation but also for other tests including subject specialist physics, entry test preparation as well, and also students who are in a first year or second year and preparing for MDCAT or ECAT. So question number 21. The SI unit of momentum is A. Newton upon meter, B. Kilogram meter per second, C. Joule, D. Watt. And the correct answer is B. Kilogram meter upon second. Momentum is denoted by P, is defined as the product of mass M and velocity. So P is equal to mv. The SI unit of mass is kilogram, kg, and the SI unit of velocity is meter per second. Therefore, the SI unit of momentum is kilogram multiply meter per second. So this question is based on the topic mechanism and momentum, and also the concept of definition and SI unit of momentum. So now comes question number 22. Newton's first law of motion is also called A. Law of momentum, B. Law of inertia, C. Law of gravitation, D. Law of action reaction. And the correct answer is the Newton's first law is law of inertia. So Newton's first law of motion states that an object at rest stays at rest and an object in motion stays in motion with the same speed and in the same direction unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. This tendency to reset changes in motion is called inertia. This question is also based on mechanics, Newton's law of motion. So study about Newton's law. Now comes question number 23. If the velocity of a body doubles, its kinetic energy becomes A. 2 times, B. 4 times, C. half times, D. 8 times. And the correct answer is B. 4 times. Kinetic energy is given by the formula kinetic energy is equal to 21 mv square. If the velocity doubles becomes v square, the new kinetic energy will be 21 meter v square is equal to 21, so which is 4 times original kinetic energy. This question is based on energy, kinetic energy, and also relationship between kinetic energy and velocity. Question number 24. The acceleration due to gravity on the moon is dash Earth. A. Equal to, B. 1/6 of, C. 6 times, D. double. And the correct answer is B. 1/6 of. The acceleration due to gravity on the moon is approximately 1/6 of the acceleration due to gravity on Earth. This question is based on gravitation. Question number 25. Work done is 0 when the angle between force and displacement is A. 0, B. 45, C. 90 degree, D. 180 degree. And the correct answer is work done is defined as work done is equal to FD cos theta, where F is force, D is displacement, and theta is the angle between the force and displacement vectors. If theta is equal to 90 degree, then cos theta 90 is equal to 0, making the work done 0. This question is based on work, energy, and power. Question number 26. A lever of class 2 has the load positioned. So I have already added questions on first type of lever and second type and third type of levers in the IBA screening test preparation, mock test 3, that will also be uploaded today. So this question that mock paper 3 is also beneficial for all aspirants who are also preparing for junior science teacher. So question number 26. A lever of class 2 has the load positions: A. Between fulcrum and effort, B. At one end, C. At the fulcrum, D. Nowhere. I think we study these type of things in class 5 science. So option A is the correct, between fulcrum and effort. In class 2 lever, the load is located between the fulcrum and the effort. Examples include a wheelbarrow and a nutcracker. So this question is based on simple machine lever, and this question is in class 5. There is topics unit machines. Question number 27. The energy stored in a stretched spring is called: A. Kinetic energy, B. Potential energy, C. Thermal energy, D. Nuclear energy. And the correct answer is B. Potential energy. Potential energy is stored energy due to object's position or state. A stretched spring has elastic potential energy. Now comes question number 28. The specific heat capacity of water is Reti Educational Academy. Thank you. A. 1 joule, B. 4.2, C. 0.5, D. 9.8. And the correct answer is B. The specific heat capacity of water is approximately 4.184 joule upon G degree, which is often rounded to 4.2. So B option is correct. Now comes question number. This question is based on heat and thermodynamics. Question number 29. In a vacuum flask, heat loss by dash is minimized: A. Conduction only, B. Convection only, C. Radiation only, D. All three. And the correct answer is D. All three. A vacuum flask is designed to minimize heat transfer by all three modes: conduction, vacuum between walls, stopper; convection, vacuum prevents air circulation; and radiations, silvered surfaces. So question number 30. Which process requires the most energy to convert 1 gram of water at 100 degree to steam? A. Melting, B. Vaporization, C. Freezing, D. Condensation. And the correct answer is B. Vaporization. Vaporization, liquid to gas, requires a significantly more energy, latent heat of vaporization, than melting solid to liquid or freezing condensation phrase. Changes realizing energy. For water, the latent heat of vaporization is about 2260 joule, while the latent heat of fusion melting is about 334 joule. So this question is based on heat and thermodynamics. Question number 31. The resistance of a conductor depends on: A. Voltage only, B. Current only, C. Material length and thickness, D. Temperature only. And the correct answer is C. Material length and thickness. The resistance of conductor is given by R, where P is the resistivity, material property, L is the length, and A is the cross-sectional area related to thickness. This question is based on electricity resistance. Question number 32. A step-up transformer: A. Increases voltage, B. Decreases voltage, C. Increases current, D. Converts AC to DC. And the correct answer is A. Increasing voltage. A step-up transformer increases the voltage from the primary coil to the secondary coil while decreasing the current. So question number 33. The right hand rule is used to determine: A. Current direction. B. Magnitude, field direction. C. Resistance. D. Power. And the correct answer is B. Magnetic field direction. The right hand rule for current carrying wires or solenoid is used to determine the direction of magnetic field produced by the current. Question number 34. In a series circuit, if one bulb fuses the others, A. Glow brighter, B. Turn off, C. Glow dimmer, D. Explode. And the correct answer is B. Turn off. In a series circuit, all components are connected along a single path. If one bulb fuses, breaks the circuit, the entire circuit is open and current stops flowing to all other components, causing them to turn off. Topic is electricity. Now come questions 35. The unit of electric power is A. Ampere, B. Volt, C. Watt, D. Ohm. And the correct answer is C. Watt. The unit of electric power is watt. Power is the rate at which energy is transformed or used. Question number 36. The speed of sound is highest in Reti Educational Academy. Thank you. A. Air, B. Water, C. Steel, D. Vacuum. And the correct answer is C. Steel. The speed of sound is generally highest in solids, then liquids, and slowest in gases. Steel is a solid, water is a liquid, and air is a gas. Vacuum has no medium, so sound cannot travel through it. This question is based on waves and sound. Question number 37. The frequency of wave is 50 Hz. Its time period is A. 0.02 second, B. 0.5 second, C. 2 seconds, D. 50 seconds. And the correct answer is A. 0.025 seconds. The time period T of waves is the reciprocal of its frequency. Subscribe to the Educational Academy YouTube channel and stay connected till the end of this video. Please provide your valuable feedback in the comment box. Thank you. Now comes questions from chemistry. So question number 38. The atomic number represents the number of A. Protons, B. Neutrons, C. Electrons, D. Nucleons. And the correct answer is A. Protons. The atomic number Z of an element is defined by the number of protons in the nucleus of an atom of the element. It determines the element's identity. This question is based on atomic structure, atomic number. So question number 39. Isotopes of an element have the same number of A. Protons, B. Neutrons, C. Electrons, D. Nucleons. And the correct answer is A. Protons. Isotopes are atoms of the same element, meaning they have the same atomic number of protons. They differ in the number of neutrons. So this question is based on isotopes. Question number 40. Which group in the periodic table contains the most reactive nonmetals? A. Group 1, B. Group 2, C. Group 17, D. Group 18. And the correct answer is C. Group 17. Group 17 elements are the halogens, including fluorine, chlorine. They are highly reactive nonmetals because they have 7 valence electrons and readily gain 1 electron to achieve a stable octet. So this question is based on a periodic table. Question number 41. Mendeleev's periodic table was arranged based on A. Atomic number, B. Atomic mass, C. Electron affinity, D. Ionization energy. And the correct answer is B. Atomic mass. And Dmitry Mendeleev arranged his periodic table primarily based on increasing atomic mass. This arrangement sometimes led to elements being out of order by atomic number, which was later corrected by Henry Moseley. This question is also based on history of periodic table. So question number 42. Ionic compounds typically have a low melting points, B. High solubility in organic solvents, C. Covalent characteristics, D. High electrical conductivity in molten state. And the correct answer is D. High electrical conductivity in molten state. Ionic compounds are formed by the electrostatic attraction between ions. In the molten and aqueous state, these ions are mobile and can conduct electricity. They generally have high melting point. This question is based on chemical bonding and ionic compounds. Question number 43. A covalent bond is formed by A. Transfer of electrons, B. Sharing of electrons, C. Donation of protons, D. Exchange of neutrons. And the correct answer is B. Sharing of electrons. A covalent bond is formed when two atoms share one or more pairs of electrons to achieve a stable electron configuration. So this question is also based on chemical bonding, covalent bond. Question number 44. Which molecule has a triple bond? So welcome back on Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel. Please provide your valuable feedback in the comment box. So correct answer is N2. Nitrogen gas has a triple bond between the two nitrogen atoms. Oxygen has a double bond and has a single bond, H2O. Water has a single bond and carbon dioxide has two double bonds. Question number 46. Which gas is evolved when, question number 45. The pH of neutral solution is A0, B7, C14, D10. And the correct answer is B7. The pH scale ranges from 0 to 14. A neutral solution like pure water at 25 degree has a pH of 7. This question is based on acids, bases and salts. Question number 46. Which gas is evolved when acids react with carbonates? A. Hydrogen, B. Oxygen, C. Carbon dioxide, D. Nitrogen. And the correct answer is when acids, C option is the correct. When acids reacts with carbonates like calcium carbonate, carbon dioxide gas is produced along with a salt and water. For example, this question is also based on acids, bases and salts. Question number 47. Litmus turns dash in basic solution. A. Red, B. Blue, C. Green, D. Colorless. And the correct answer is B. Blue. Litmus paper is an indicator in basic alkaline solutions. Red litmus paper turns blue. In acidic solutions, blue litmus turns red. So question number 48. Common salt NaCl is a product of A. Acid plus metal, B. Acid plus carbonate, C. Acid plus base, C. Acid plus oxide. And the correct answer is C. Acid plus base. Common salt sodium chloride NaCl is formed by reaction of a strong acid, hydrochloric acid, and a strong base, sodium hydroxide. This is a neutralization reaction. Question number 49. In a combustion reaction, the essential reactant is A. Nitrogen, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Oxygen, D. Hydrogen. And the correct answer is C. Oxygen. Combustion is a chemical process that requires an oxidant, typically oxygen, to react with a fuel, releasing heat and light. Topic chemical reaction. Question number 50. Which reaction is exothermic? A. Photosynthesis, B. Respiration, C. Melting ice, D. Dissolving salt in water. So B option is correct, respiration. Exothermic reaction releases energy, usually in the form of heat. Respiration is a metabolic process where glucose is broken down to produce ATP, releasing energy in the process, making it exothermic. Photosynthesis is endothermic, and melting, dissolving are typically endothermic. This question is based on chemical reactions, biochemistry are exothermic. Question number 51. Balancing chemical equations ensures a color change, B. Mass conversion, C. Gas production, D. Temperature increase. And the correct answer is B. Mass conservation. Balancing a chemical equation ensures that the law of conservation of mass is upheld, meaning that the number of atoms of each element on the reactant side is equal to the number of atoms of that element on the product side. So this question is based on chemical reactions as well. Question number 52, the general formula for alkanes is A, B, C or D, and the correct answer is B, CnH2n plus 2. Alkanes are saturated hydrocarbons with only single bonds. Their general formula is CnH2n plus 2, where N is the number of carbon atoms. This question is based on organic chemistry and hydrocarbons, alkanes. Question number 53. Which functional group defines alcohols? A minus COOH, B minus OH, C minus CHO, D minus NH2. And the correct answer is B minus OH. The hydroxyl function group minus OH defines alcohols, and a minus COOH is for carboxylic acids, minus CHO for aldehydes, and minus NH2 for amines. So this question is based on organic chemistry. Question number 54. The main component of natural gas is Reti Educational Academy. A. Methane, B. Ethane, C. Propane, D. Butane. And the correct answer is A. Methane. Natural gas primarily consists of methane, typically making up 70 to 90% of its composition. Subscribe to the Educational Academy YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, TikTok and WhatsApp. Thank you. Welcome back again. So question number 55. Now these questions are based on biology sections. Question number 55. The powerhouse of cell is A. Nucleus, B. Mitochondria, C. Ribosome, D. Golgi apparatus. And the correct answer is B. Mitochondria. Mitochondria are often called the powerhouse of the cell because they are responsible for cellular respiration, where glucose is converted into ATP, adenosine triphosphate, the main energy currency of the cell. Question number 56. Plant cells differ from animal cells by having centrioles, B. Cell wall, C. Similar vacuoles, D. Lysosome. So the correct answer for question number 56 is B. Cell wall. Plant cells has a rigid cell wall outside the cell membrane, which provides a structural support and protection. Animal cell wall lacks a cell wall. Plant cells also typically have a larger central vacuole, while animal cells have a similar temporary vacuoles. So this question is based on cell biology or plant and animal cells. So question number 57. The process by which cells divides to form gametes is called A. Mitosis, B. Meiosis, C. Binary fusion, D. Budding. And the correct answer is B. Meiosis. Meiosis is the type of cell divisions that reduces the number of chromosomes by half, producing 4 haploids gametes. Cells, sperms or egg cells, form a single diploid cell. Mitosis produce 2 identical diploid cells. So this question is based on cell division. Question number 58. Which organelle is responsible for protein synthesis? A. Nucleus, B. Chloroplast, C. Ribosome, D. Endothermic reticulum. And the correct answer is C. Ribosome. Ribosomes are the cellular organelles responsible for proteins synthesis, translation, where amino acids are assembled into proteins based on the genetic code. This question is based on organelles, functions of ribosomes. Question number 59. The largest organ of human body is Reti Educational Academy. Don't forget to like this video. A. Liver, B. Skin, C. Brain, D. Lungs. And the correct answer is B. Skin. The skin, the largest organ of the human body, covering an average area of about 1.5 to 2 square meters. This question is based on organ system. Question number 60. Oxygen rich blood is carried by A. Pulmonary artery, B. Pulmonary artery, vein, C. Aorta, D. Vena cava. And the correct answer is B. Pulmonary vein. Question number explanation for this question is that pulmonary vein carries oxygen-rich oxygenated blood from the lungs back to the left atrium of the heart. The pulmonary artery carries deoxygenated blood to the lungs. The aorta carries oxygenated blood from the heart to the rest of the body. So this question is based on circulatory system that we study in class 8. Question number 60, oxygen rich blood. So question number 61, the functional unit of kidney is A. Neuron, B. Nephron, C. Alveolus, D. Villi. And the correct answer is B. Nephron. The nephron is the microscopic structural and functional unit of the kidney. It is responsible for filtering blood and forming urine. Neurons are nerve cells, alveoli are in the lungs, and villi are in small intestine. So this question is based on excretory system. Question number 62. Which vitamin is synthesized by the skin in sunlight? A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin B12, C. Vitamin D, and D. Vitamin K. So ABCD options. Question number, and the correct answer is C. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is synthesized in the skin upon exposures to ultraviolet radiations from the sunlight. This question is based on vitamins. Question number 63. The hormone insulin is produced by the A. Liver, B. Pancreas, C. Thyroid, D. Pituitary gland. And the correct answer is B. Pancreas. Insulin is a hormone produced by the beta cells of the islets of Langerhans in the pancreas. It plays a crucial role in regulating blood glucose levels. This question is based on endocrine system. Question number 64. Photosynthesis occur in which part of the plant cells? A. Mitochondria, B. Chloroplast, C. Nucleus, D. Vacuole. And the correct answer is B. Chloroplast. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants convert light energy into chemical energy. Occurs primarily in the chloroplast, which contain chlorophyll. Now comes question number 65. Transpiration primarily occurs through A. Roots, B. Stomata, C. Xylem, D. Phloem. And the correct answer is B. Stomata. Transpiration is the process of water vapor loss from plants, mainly through the small pores on the leaf surface and called stomata. Question number 66. Which plant hormones promotes growth and cell elongation? A. Abscisic acid, B. Auxin, C. Cytokinin, D. Ethylene. And the correct answer is B. Auxin. Auxins are a class of plant hormones that play a key role in cell elongation, promoting stem growth and various other developmental processes. And the correct answer is this question is based on plant biology or plants functions of auxin. Question number 67. The male reproductive part of a flower is called Reti Educational Academy. A. Stigma, B. Style, C. Stamen, D. Ovary. And the correct answer is C. Stamen. The stamen is the male reproductive part of flower, consisting of the anther, which produce pollen, and the filament. The stigma and the style are parts of pistil, female reproductive part. Question number 68. The primary source of energy in an ecosystem is A. Plants, B. Sun, C. Water, D. Soil. And the correct answer is B. Sun. In most ecosystems, the primary source of energy is the sun, produce like plants capture solar energy through photosynthesis, which then flows through the food chain. This question is based on energy flow. Question number 69. Which gas is the major contributor to greenhouse effect? A. Oxygen, B. Nitrogen, C. Carbon dioxide, D. Hydrogen. And the correct answer is C. Carbon dioxide, CO2, is the most significant anthropogenic human-caused contributor to the greenhouse effect, trapping heat in the Earth's atmosphere. Methane and nitrous oxides are also greenhouse gases, but carbon dioxide is present in much higher concentrations from human activities. This question is based on environmental science or greenhouse effect. Question number 70. A symbiotic relationship where both organisms benefit is called A. Parasitism, B. Commensalism, C. Mutualism, D. Predation. And the correct answer is C. Mutualism. Mutualism is a type of symbiotic relationship where both organisms involved benefits from the interaction. Parasitism benefits one at the expense of the other, and commensalism benefits one without affecting the other. Now comes question number 71. The process of converting nitrogen gas into usable compounds by bacteria is called A. Photosynthesis, B. Nitrogen fixation, C. Transpiration, decomposition. And the correct answer is B. Nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen fixation is the process by which atmospheric nitrogen gas, which is unusable by most organisms, is converted into ammonia or other nitrogenous compound by certain bacteria. Thank you. Stay connected. Now comes questions from mathematics section. Question number 72. A map has a scale of 1 centimeter and equal to 25 kilometers. Two cities are 3.5 centimeters apart on the map. What is the actual distance between the cities? A. 8.75 kilometers, B. 87.5 kilometers, C. 875 kilometers, D. 8,750 kilometers. And the correct answer is B. 87.5 kilometers. If 1 centimeter represents 25 kilometers, then 3.5 centimeters will represent 3.5 into 25. So the answer will be 87.5 kilometers. This question is based on ratio and proportion. So question number 73. A shopkeeper buys an item for rupees 400 and sells it for rupees 500. What is the profit percentage? A. 10, B. 20, C. 25, D. 30. And the correct answer is C. 25%. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. So 500 minus 400 is equal to 100. Now comes profit percentage. Profit percentage is equal to profit upon cost price into 100 is equal to profit percentage. So 25%. This question is based on percentage and profit loss. So question number 74. If the angles of a triangle are in the ratio 1, ratio 2, ratio 3, what is the measure of the largest angle? A. 30 degrees, B. 60 degrees, C. 90 degrees, D. 120 degrees. And the correct answer is C. 90 degrees. Let the angles be x, 2x and 3x. The sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. X plus 2x plus 3x is equal to 180. 6x is equal to 180. As 6 divided by 180, it will be 30 degrees. So the largest angle is 3x. 3 into 30 is 90. So 90 degrees, C option is the correct. Question number 75. What is simplest form of 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 6? Reti Educational Academy. A. 1 upon 2, B. 5 upon 12, C. 7 upon 12, D. 1. So find a common denominator which is 12. So the correct answer is C. 7 upon 12. If you want explanation of this video, just comment. Now comes question number 76. A train travels 120 kilometers in 2 hours. At the same rate, how far will it travel to 5 hours? A. 240 kilometers, B. 300 kilometers, C. 360 kilometers, D. 480 kilometers. And the correct answer is B. 300 kilometers. Speed of train is equal to distance divided by time. So 120 divided by 2 is equal to 60. Now multiply 5 into 60 is equal to 300. This question is based on time, distance and speed. Question number 77. If a is equal to 5 and b is equal to minus 3, what is the value of a square minus b square? A 16, b 25, c 34, d 4. And the correct answer is, given a is equal to 5 and b is equal to minus 3, a square is equal to 25 and b square is equal to minus 9. So 16. A option is the correct answer. Question number 78. What is the area of a circle with a radius of 7 centimeters? Use pi is equal to 22 upon 7. A 44 centimeter square, B 88 centimeter square, D 154 centimeter square, D 308 centimeter square. And the correct answer is C 154 centimeter square. Question number 79. A number is increased by 20% and then decreased by 20%. What is the net percentage? A 0%, B 2%, C 4% increase, D 4% decrease. And the correct answer is D 4% decrease. Let the original number be 100, increased by 20%, 120, decreased by 20%, new value 120 minus 20% of 120. 120 is equal to minus 24, which is 96. Net change, final value, original value 100, final value 96. So 100 minus 96 is 4% increase. Question number 80. What is the value of radical 144 plus radical 25 minus radical 81? So options are A 6, B 8, C 10, D 12. And the correct answer is A 6. 144 is equal to 12.25 is equal to question number 81. If a simple interest is rupees 1000 for 2 years is 200, what is the rate of interest per annum? A 5%, B 8%, C 10%, D 12%. And the correct answer is C 10%. Simple interest formula is price into rate into time is equal to, which is a 10%. Financial mathematics simple interest. Question number 82. What is the value of x in the proportion of 3 ratio x is equal to 12 ratio 16? A 4, B 6, C 8, D 9. And the correct answer is A 4. In a proportion A ratio B is equal to C ratio D, the product of the means equals to the product of extremes. So given that AD is equal to BC, 3 ratio x is equal to 12 ratio 16. So 3 into 16 and x ratio 12, x into 12. So 48 is equal to 12x and x is equal to 48 upon 12 is equal to 4. So A option is correct. This question is based on ratio and proportion as well. Properties of property. Question number 83. If the exterior angle of a regular polygon is 45 degrees, how many sides does the polygon have? A 6, B 8, C 10, D 12. The sum of exterior angles of an angle is polygon is 360 degrees. Number of sides n is equal to 360. Exterior angle is 360 divided by 45 is equal to 8. So B option is correct. This question is based on polygons, geometry. Question number 84. What is the volume of a cube with a side length of 4 cm? Reti Educational Academy. A 12 cm cube, B 16 cm cube, C 64 cm cube, D 96 cm cube. And the correct answer is C. The volume of a cube is given by the formula V is equal to S3, whereas S is the side of length. Given S is equal to 4, so 4 is equal 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 4 into 4 16 into 4 64. So this question is based on volume of cube. Now comes question number 85. Solve for x is equal x ratio 5x minus 7. Solve for x 5x minus 7 is equal to 3x plus 5. And the options are x is equal to 1, b is x is equal to 3, c x is equal to 6, and d x is equal to 12. So I would suggest you put the value of x one by one. So the correct answer is x is equal to 6. 5x minus 7 is equal to 3x plus 5. Subtract 3x from both sides. 5x minus 3x minus 7 is equal to 5. 2x minus 7 is equal to 5. Add 7 to the both sides. 2x is equal to 5 plus 7. 2x is equal to 12. Divide 2 by 2. X is equal to 12 upon 2 is equal to 6. This question is based on linear algebra. Question number 86. What is the probability of getting a head when tossing a pair of a coin? A 1 upon 4, B 1 upon 3, C 1 upon 2, D 1. And the correct answer is C 1 upon 2. A fair coin has two equally likely outcomes, heads or tails. The probability of getting a head is the number of favorable outcomes, 1 head, divided by the total number of possible outcomes, 2. So 1 upon 2 is the correct answer. Question number 87. If the mean of a set of 5 numbers is 10, the sum of 4 of the numbers is 42, what is the fifth number? A 6, B 8, C 12, D 18. And the correct answer is the mean of set of the numbers is the sum of the numbers divided by the count of the numbers. Sum of 5 numbers, mean into count, is equal to 10 into 5 is equal to 50. Sum of the 4 numbers is 42. Now divide 50 minus 42 is equal to 8. So B option is the correct. Question number 88. What is the value of 0.2 square plus 0.3 whole square is equal to A 0.05, B 0.13, C 0.125, D 0.5. And the correct answer is B 0.13. Subscribe Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, TikTok and WhatsApp. Thank you. Questions from computer section. Question number 89. Which are the following statement best differentiate between system software and application software? So I would recommend you to pause the video and read the options. And the correct option is B. System software manages the computer hardware and provides a platform for application software. System software, like operating system, controls the computer's internal functions and hardware, creating an environment for application software like word processor or browsers or run. Application software is designed for specific user tasks. This question is based on types of software, distinctions between system and application software. Question number 90. Which of the following is a function of CPU? Reti Educational Academy. A. Storing data permanently. B. Displaying image on the monitor. C. Executing instructions and performing calculations. D. Connecting to the internet. And the correct answer is C. Executing instructions and performing calculations. Central processing unit is the brain of computer, responsible for carrying out program instructions and performing arithmetic and logical operations. This question is based on hardware functions of CPU. Question number 91. Which of the following is not true of random access memory, RAM? A. It is a form of primary storage. B. It is a volatile memory. C. It directly accesses the CPU. D. It retains data even when the computer is powered off. Question number option D is correct. It retains data even when computer is powered off. Random access memory is a volatile memory, meaning it requires power to maintain the stored information. When the computer is powered off, data is RAM is lost. Question number 92. Which are the following sequences correctly orders storage devices from the fastest to slowest access time? Read the options. And the correct answer is B. RAM, SSD, HDD. Random access memory is the fastest storage used for active data. Solid state drives are faster than HD hard disk drives due to their flash based memory and lack of moving parts. Hard disk drives are the slowest of three. Question number 93. In Microsoft Word, which features allow you to apply a consistent set of formatting options, font, spacing, etc. to different styles of document. A. Themes, B. Styles, C. Templates, D. Word arts. And the correct answer is B. Styles. In Microsoft Word, styles allow users to apply a predefined set of formatting attributes, font, size, color, spacing, consistently across different parts of document, ensuring a uniform look. Question number 94. In a Microsoft Excel, which type of cell references changes both the column and a row when copied? A. Relative reference, B. Absolute reference, C. Mixed reference, D. Circular reference. And the correct answer is A. Relative reference. A relative cell reference in Excel changes automatically when the formula containing it is copied to another location. Both the column and the row adjust based on the new position. Question number 95. In Microsoft PowerPoint, which shortcut is used to start a Question number 95. In a Microsoft PowerPoint, which shortcut is used to start a presentation from the beginning? A. F1, B. F5, C. Control P, D. Shift plus F5. And the correct answer is B. F5. In Microsoft PowerPoint, pressing F5 starts the presentation from the beginning. Shift plus F5 starts the presentation from the current slides. This question is based on shortcuts. Question number 96. Which of the following is not a valid function on Microsoft Excel? Read the options. And the correct answer is D. Calculate. Sum, average, and concatenate are the valid commonly used functions in Microsoft Excel. Option D. Calculate is not a standard Excel function. Question number 97. In Microsoft PowerPoint, which features allow you to control to flow and timing of the elements on a slide during a presentation? Solve paper on Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel. A. Transition, B. Animation, and C. Slide master, D. Presenter view. And the correct answer is B. Animations. In Microsoft PowerPoint, animations control how individual elements, text, images, shapes, appears, disappears, or move on a slide during a presentation, allowing for precise timing and flow. Question number 98. What does abbreviation HTTP stand for and what is the primary function? Pause the video and read the options. Hypertext Transfer Protocol, the foundation for data communication for the World Wide Web. B. High-speed text transmission process, a method for sending text messages quickly. C. Home Tool Technology Program, a software used to control smart home devices. D. Host Terminal Transfer Port, a hardware interface for connecting external devices. And the correct answer is A. Hypertext Transfer Protocol, the foundation for data communication for the World Wide Web. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol and in the foundation protocols. Question number 99. Which of the following is best describes the purpose of mail merge in Microsoft Word? A. To check spelling and grammar in document. B. To create and format tables. C. To combine a form letter with data from a list names. D. To insert images and charts into a document. And the correct answer is C. To combine a form letter with a data from a list of names. Mail merge is a powerful feature in Microsoft Word that allows users to create personalized documents like letters, envelopes, or labels by combining a main document with a data sources, listing names and addresses. Question number 100. In Microsoft Office applications, what is the purpose of the clipboard? A. To store file permanently. B. Temporarily store data that has been copied or cut. C. To manage user account. D. To display help information. And the correct answer is B. To temporarily store data that has been copied or carried. The clipboard is temporary storage area in computer memory where data, texts, and images is held after being copied or cut, making it available for pasting elsewhere. So this was the end of second mock test. Inshallah, I will upload the third mock paper for IB screening test. So stay connected and share it with your friends. Thank you.